I am Abraham Verghese from the Avian Trust, and one of the objectives of the trust is to help farmers grow good tomatoes. At the same time, we also would like to inform the general public the value of eating good tomatoes. See, tomatoes is very popular in Karnataka, across India, and we try our best to give the best to our farmers so that what you get in the market would be reasonably good tomatoes. So when you get the tomato, just hold it in your hand, and when ripe, it should be reasonably hard for pressure. Now, why should you eat tomatoes? Tomatoes are good for our general health and for our bones. Apart from that, tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, calcium, iron, and so nutritively that's great value. And the most important aspect of tomato is it contains a carotenoid called lycopene, which is antioxidant, which prevents cancer, which is good for the cardiovascular system, and therefore a moderate consumption of tomatoes every day is important. Now, one caution is many people like to have a tomato and use it as a salad, but I will not advocate that, because most of the time the tomatoes would have some chemical residue or the other, because there are several pests and diseases coming on the crop, and so the farmers would invariably spray. So it is good to buy green tomatoes from the market, allow it to be on the shelf till it gets red, so the quantum of the pesticides would come down. Wash it well, and on cooking you almost get 100% freedom from any of these residues. So I would suggest that you would eat only cooked tomatoes. So it's again another good point here is tomatoes are one vegetable or a fruit. It's actually considered a vegetable, which is good for smokers because it reduces the harmful effects of smoking. So I'm not encouraging smoking, but then this is an information from the scientific investigations. Another important myth is people say tomatoes have oxalates in the seed, which is harmful, but the content of oxalates is only about 5 grams for every 100 grams of the fruit, and so it is not really injurious in any way. And the tomato seeds also have saponins, which have anti-inflammatory problem. So it is worth having tomato in your daily diet every day. But remember, cooked tomatoes are safer. Thank you.